Hello guys, this is Rupa Yadav. I come to share my some medical related videos to understand easily about my study material which I prefer this channel. If you like my channel, please press the like button, and if you have any doubt, keep some comment on my comment box and also subscribe my channel. Today we are going to understand breast cancer and myths. Breast cancer is one of the commonest cancer in female, especially in upon India. It is the leading cause of death in cancer patient in female. About 1 in 28 women will have a breast cancer in her lifetime. These days, we are getting to see many more younger patients coming with a breast cancer, and breast cancer happening in younger patient is very aggressive also. How do we detect? How do we find out who has breast cancer? We should be knowing about what are the symptoms about a breast cancer. Breast cancer can present in any of the following way. A person can have a breast lump which may be painless, which may be painful, but mostly it is painless. Lump may be breast cancer. The other commonest presenting feature is a discharge from the nipple. This discharge could be either blood discharge or it could be a serous watery discharge. Anybody who presents of discharge should be investigated. The second point, presenting symptom can be a redness or itchiness over the breast skin. The other thing is you find a lump under your armpit, which can be a sign of breast cancer. Once you go to your doctor with a lump or a discharge or a redness or a itchiness, the doctor will advise of your test for you. What are the tests used for to diagnose breast cancer? The point will be chemotherapy. Have an option, but this process we have very aggressive treatment by this therapy, so the patient go with the help of alternative medicine and ayurveda and homeopath, go those at a very early stage, and eventually and with as a large big tumor when will not able to do much and help them. So I could want to say that modern medicine is not so distressful. In chemotherapy is not painful. Them as a certain side effects by chemotherapy like these are nausea, vomiting, but these are enough medicine which are given to you cover those side effects and make sure that do not miserable. Fourth point is that they are fearful around the hair fall chemotherapy. So what we need to understand, definitely there is a hair fall, but that hair fall is not permanent. Hair growth back, so it's almost like going usually tell that patient a template, is just to giving the hair is a garden, just grow back up and probability going back to better quality of hair. Myths, that is a breast is conserved. Breast conservation surgeries, the surgeries that is that offer to you where you can save the breast and go head to surgeries, the people believe that the risk is increased, the increased risk the cancer coming back, but that is not true. Again, there is a enough research to breast conservation surgeries and mastectomy that is being processed conclusively that breast conservation is safe. So there are the various myths. And the most important, the main thing is a mammography. Mammography is nothing but an x-ray of your breast. Sometimes doctors can advise a ultrasound or an MRI of your breast. Final diagnostic test to diagnose breast cancer is a core needle by a biopsy. It is a very fine needle which is used to take a sample from the lump in your breast to diagnose the breast cancer. What happen when once you will diagnose of your breast cancer, these days, with a lot of improved treatment in a both surgical and medical fields, breast cancer can be cured if detected and early. How do you detect your breast cancer early? The most important is to be awareness of your breast, to be aware of your that what your normal breast feels like. Once you know what is normal breast feels like, you will be able to detect any abnormalities which will be present, and you will see with the help of a doctor instantly. With a awareness of your breast, you will be able to save much more like lives who have found to have a breast cancer. Thank you. I hope it's a helpful and comfortable for you. Thank you.